Hello, my people. How are they? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for BJ. Yes, so I don't come again with another correct gist, another sweet gist. This na how Baba God take talk say he go rest on the seventh day after he don use 6 days create the earth, the heaven, the light, animal, fish them, and even man. He come talk say make he rest on the seventh day. But me, I dey tell you now say that seventh day so wey baba God say him go rest, he no rest o, he no rest at all because he still create something. So if na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially, I greet you. Three gboza for you, gboza gboza gboza. So right now make we enter today gist. So for the seventh day na so baba God just cross leg sit down gidigba for him ocheze dey sip him holy zobo small small. As him just dey sip na him dey feel himself, come dey talk say dis things wey I don make, e make sense, all these things wey I don quick, I really try, e make sense. Na so him come say no much matter, I don look everything dey okay, make I rest today. So na so him come call that day the seventh day, so him come call am the Sabbath day. So na him be that how the Sabbath day take come now wey we dey hear today. But some people still dey confuse am whether na Saturday or Sunday. But no worry, stay tuned, watch this video to the end because me, I don get the revelation and I go tell una inside this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video. So baba God come declare public holiday on that seventh day wey him call the Sabbath day. So he say no work, make nobody go work at all. That day na public holiday. As you wake up, you bath, you eat, you rest, you worship me, you worship baba God. Na him be the order of the day. So as baba God talk am finish, na so him stand up for him ocheze, waka go inside, go rest. So as baba God wan go inside go rest, na him remember something. He come remember say he never tell Adam something. Na him come call am, Adam, show. Adam say okay, baba dey come. Na so Adam near baba God. Baba God come ask am, you don name the animal dem finish? He said no. You don do all the assignment I send you to do finish? He said no. Now he come say okay, you go continue. They just see all these plants, they just dey water them. Then the animals too, make you dey name them. Give them sweet name o. I no wan hear any kind of name. And Adam say, swale sir, your wish is my command. Na so baba God come tell am say, so as you dey do all those things, so every fruit for this garden, make you eat am. But you see that tree of good and evil, avoid am. Wetin I talk? Adam repeat. He say make I avoid am. Baba God come tell am say, as you dey say make you avoid am, like say na village people death. You know say when you owe person for village and when you owe person for city, e dey different. So na so baba God tell am say make him avoid the tree. Adam come say, baba God, I don hear you, you don give me plenty things now, so why this one wey you tell me now I come go put eye for? You create me finish, I no be bad person. And baba God say, I believe you. So baba God come go inside. Adam come go back, dey water the plants, dey name the animals. But say come dey name the animals, so he come dey observe something, he come dey notice something. So Adam looking right, he see say lion dey waka with lioness. Adam looking left, he see elephant dey waka with madam elephant. Something just waka pass him leg, na so him look, na fowl wey dey run dey pursue hen. Na him come sigh, him come say na so, na only me wey no go get babe. Na him say I no go gree o. Even monkey wey tell me say me and am resemble, monkey get babe, me I no get babe. Na so Adam say I no go gree o, at all, I no go gree o. But all this one wey him dey talk so na for inside him mind, he go dey talk am. Dem no born am well make him talk am out, make baba God hear, because the fear of God, the fear of baba God normally dey inside am. So dem no born am well make him talk all those things out. But baba God, based on the omnipotent, omniscience and omnipresence wey him be, all those things wey Adam just dey talk inside him heart, inside him mind, baba God just dey hear am dey laugh. He just dey hear am dey laugh, say see this my guy need companion. Na so baba God say okay, no matter. Na so him come put Adam to one deep sleep like that. This one na pure surgery from heaven wey baba God wan do so. Na so he put Adam to deep sleep. Adam sleep. Baba God come comot one rib from Adam body. He come carry am go one corner, come go dey mold, dey form another another image wey go dey like am as a companion for Adam. So Baba God come form am finish, come carry am go where Adam dey, come position her there, make she just dey wait for am, make him wake up. So as Adam wake up, he open eye, he no believe wetin him eye dey see. He clean am well, he clean him eye well, make him confirm say him eye no dey deceive am. As him clean him eye finish, see am say na woman wey dey near am. Na so he say, hey Baba God, you too much. This one na divine connection. Baba God, how you take know wetin I dey find? And Baba God tell am say, no worry, no me put you here. No, you know how I say form you? Na me be omnipotent, omnipresence, and omniscience. Na me dey run am. Now Adam say, Baba God, Twale, you too much. This one na bone of my bone, flesh of my flesh. For that matter, I go call am woman. So na so woman take come out. So Baba God just dey observe am, and they look at how body take dey sweet and how body take dey catch am. How him just dey jump around this woman wey God give am. Na so Baba God just smile, come talk say, na so, na just like this way man go leave him mama, leave him papa, come go dey with another woman as husband and wife. Na so e take finish o. No registry, nothing, divine connection. Na so e be. Baba God look them, observe them, say say their union make sense, so e sweet. You know say he don do well. Na so he come say, okay, no wahala, I don try for today. Even today why I say make I rest small, this boy no allow me rest. He just dey murmur anyhow, just dey talk anyhow inside him heart, thinking no inside dey hear am. But now I don give am wetin he want. No wahala again. How Baba God waka go inside? So na so Baba God take go rest o for that 7th day. Even as Adam no allow am rest the rest wey he wan rest, the way he be wan rest am. But Baba God still get chance, they get small rest. So na so Baba God take bring Adam and Eve inside the Garden of Eden with all the animals and all the fishes and the fruits and everything wey he don make. He observe and see say e dey well, e make sense. Na so Baba God take go retire for that day. But stay tuned for our next video, because you see this garden now wey dey peaceful, wey be like say everywhere good, everything happen. Stay tuned for the next video, because something go sup inside that garden, everywhere go burst. And yes, about the revelation wey I tell you say I get about the Sabbath day, come closer, I tell you. You see that Sabbath day na Sunday. So on Sunday, no go work, worship God, praise God. If you go church, come back house, sleep, rest, just dey play worship song, just dey pray, just dey worship God, just dey tell am thank you for all the things wey he don do, all the miracles he don do for you, all the blessings. So my people, na here we go end today gist. I know say this story dey totori as e dey totori me for body too, as I say dey bring am for you. So abeg, no forget to like our videos, comment for our comment sections, share our videos with your family and friends, with your guys. Abeg, na beg we dey beg una. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for any platform you dey see this video. So abeg, subscribe and follow. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you.